Hi from Laundry Talk. I'm Liz, the creator of Laundry Talk here on YouTube, and today I have an install and review video on these LED vanity mirror lights kit. Here it is. They come in this box, and as you can see, I kind of started putting them up. So let's get on to finishing assembling that, installing it, and I will let you know how I feel about it. All right, so before I get started, please do not mind this mess here in the back. All of that is that time of the month or the whatever season where I take out all of my papers that I don't want. I do like a shredding party, and I've been doing a lot of organizing of 1,000 things and the business, as you can see. Like, I don't know if you can see, but they're like decorations, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, let's move it along. So I already did a lot of it, and I know it looks beautiful and amazing. However, it's been taking a while. See, I still have to finish that corner and the rest of it. And I even took like some measurements. Look at this. I was measuring the mirror, and this is how much it came out to, how many inches. And then this is how much I had of light. So I still had 8.5 inches left. So that wasn't working out, putting it evenly. Also, every time I tried to put the lights, it would be twisted. Not this little design on the top that I did. It would actually come like twisted like this, like a zigzag. It was going into the mirror. It was just looking so ugly and messed up. It has been taking me a while to actually get it to look this nice. So I'm a bit disappointed that, I mean, I guess you get what you pay for in a way. It's not that the lights are necessarily bad, or I mean, the quality seems to be okay. It's just that, my goodness sake, they could have given you a little better instruction than what they gave you. I'm going to show you how the box looks inside. I really expected there to be a little more, and this is all you get. Extra of the little sticky things. They do stick really well, let me tell you. I stuck them earlier and then I took them off, and wow, it was pretty good. It was glued really well. So this is the instructions. This is what you get. Sorry, there you go. So step one is basically to mark the positions you want to put them, and then you stick on the lights supposedly. See, and they look all messed up here. Let me show you this way. Here, they look all twisted, and then step three is basically to adjust them. But as you can see, you can't move this. You can't wiggle it. Once you put them on, you can adjust them. So why would the instructions say to put them on first, peel and stick, step two, and then rotate the bulb to adjust the wire? That's not going to be possible to do it afterwards. You would have to do it and then you stick them on. Good thing is that it stays pretty, pretty tight. I could have put it tighter, but I didn't want to mess it up. I wasn't sure it was going to break. Anyway, so let's continue on by me showing you quickly how I put these on the rest of the way.
Taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance. Telling me to dance, taking a chance.
So I got to put everything on. I liked the design that I was able to do, having the same symmetry, and like I twisted it a certain way that I wanted, so they all came out looking the same. I like the fact that, so basically this is what I feel about it. I like that it brings extra pad adhesives so that they're really cushioned, so that just in case I needed some during installation or thereafter, then I have some extra ones. Now the little paper, little plastic that's in the back, I'm going to show you close. Some of it was a bit hard to take off. Let me see if I can focus the camera. Some of it was a bit hard to come off. I had to really pull and tug at it. And then some of them came out like this one, nice and smooth. So that was just a little, not so negative, but a little bit maybe I didn't like so much. So it would have been nice if everything came out fine, but many of them did not. So there's that. The fact that the instructions said that you first stick it, you know, peel the little plastic and stick it on, and then you twist it, that was not true at all. That I didn't like, because it really gave me a hard time for me to start the installation of the lights. Once I got like the hang of it, once I added my own experience of installing things, it was so much easier. So the quality is good. I feel like the quality is good. The plastic is pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. The cable is good. The adhesive is really good. It sticks really well. And so, you know, I would definitely purchase it again. Just hopefully, if you guys are going to purchase it, you see this video first before purchasing, so you know the little things to look for before you buy it or before you install it. So awesome. Again, this video is not sponsored at all. I just bought these because I have a vanity and I thought it would be nice to have some Hollywood looking lights, and so that's what I did. So I'm going to show you real quick how it looks with it on. Sorry, don't mind the little ring light if you see it in the back. All right, so I turned off my ring light. It kind of stays on a little bit. I turned off my ring light so I can turn on the LED lights, and you can see how it looks. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I love it. Those look like rose petals, just saying. This looks so cool. Hola, hi. How you doing? You want to put some makeup on? I love it. Look how cute. Love it. Let me show you how the cable looks like. Here it is. It's actually hooked to the last or the first bulb. And here's how it looks up close. So it has a few settings. Sorry, this is the on-off button, red, and then it has a few settings here, so you can change it. So let's play around with this. Let's see, what does the plus do? Plus, negative, ooh, brighter, dimmer. There you go. You see that? Look, that's when we press the negative sign, and then when you press the positive, it gets brighter and brighter and brighter, as bright as you saw at the beginning. About this? Ooh, there you go. When you press that middle button, it switches it to yellow. Bam. So it has two color settings, the yellow light and the white light. So there you have it. Awesome. All right, so overall, I love the setting. I like how everything looks. And I'm really happy. So I would actually purchase it again, and I do recommend it. Again, this is not sponsored, so you can get yourself some LED mirror lights if you want to have a Hollywood look in your mirror. Don't forget to smile and have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.